Hello everyone, I'm Sanye. In the blink of an eye, it's May. It's time to take a good look back at the videos released in April. Throughout the entire month of April, I traveled to many cities in China, from professional technology exhibitions to China's top source supply markets. I recorded the most authentic frontline industrial scenes with my camera. In today's video, I will take you to fully review all my trips in April and watch all the wonderful content at once. The first stop in April, I set off from Shenzhen and walked into ITES Shenzhen International Industrial Manufacturing Exhibition to face the cutting-edge equipment of high-end manufacturing and feel the latest technological trends in the industrial field. Still in Shenzhen, after visiting the industrial exhibition, I came to the world-famous Huaqiangbei Digital Market and went deep into China's largest digital electronics source gathering place to shoot first-hand sources of goods and the latest industry trends. Leaving Huaqiangbei, I came to Xubei in Shenzhen and walked into China's largest Xubei jewelry industry base to fully explore the entire supply chain system of the jewelry industry from source to terminal. After finishing the Shenzhen trip, I rushed to Yiwu and walked into the most concerned Yiwu International Trade City, went deep into the source market of small commodities, shot the popular sources of goods for the season, and shared practical purchasing tips. Setting off from Yiwu, I visited several vertical industry exhibitions in Shanghai one after another. First, the 35th China International Glass Industry Technology Exhibition unlocked new processes in the glass industry on site, new equipment and diversified application directions. Immediately after, I came to China Environmental Expo, focused on the new trends of the environmental protection industry, and witnessed the innovative technologies and implemented products in the green and low-carbon field. Later, I went to Kunshan, Jiangsu, to check in at China Auto Show Kunshan Station, and felt the design upgrade and industrial vitality of the automotive industry on site. Right after that, I walked into the China Humanoid Robot Ecosystem Conference, observed the cutting-edge achievements of humanoid robots up close, complete machine solutions and core components, and insight into the commercial landing and industry development trends of the humanoid robot industry. The closing trip in April, I came to the top event in the equipment manufacturing field, CCMT China International Machine Tool Show, gathered the world's top precision manufacturing equipment, and appreciated the hard power of China's high-end industrial manufacturing. The above is the complete itinerary and reel-shot content of my April, covering multiple fields and gaining a lot at every stop. The May itinerary will be more exciting. More industry exhibitions and reel shots of source markets will be updated soon. Remember to subscribe and follow. And don't miss the follow-up content. See you in the next episode.